Hi, good evening, Prophet. Good evening, Prophet Selma. I just want to give a testimony. You know what, Prophet? It was last month or two weeks back. Prophet was praying for me and for my daughter. And from the time that you pray for me, for my left arm, for my shoulder, that was paining every night, I have a testimony. There's no pain anymore. All over where I go, I'm bragging about. I said to my husband tonight, you know, Prophet Malondo is a man from God, because till now I don't have any pain in my arms anymore.
Hallelujah. Let's give God all the praise.